All right, we found it. Thank you. Goggles footage right there. We got the, you see the, can you see the weeds there that it was in? It was, I had it in there. All right, dead random here. Doing the maiden flight, possibly, of the Pavo Femto. I've been trying to fly this thing forever right now. We are ELRS, so I spent a little bit of time. Kai Friedrichsen, Lone Star helped me set it up. So I'm going to take a little flight. Going to get the O4 set up today. And let's get the O4 switched in. There's the O4 Air Unit. And hopefully we should be ready to go. So ELRS X-Lite is ready to rock. And hopefully I get 2 flights in and I don't lose the quad somewhere in the trees. All right. So I want you to see it take off if we can get it taking off. That's a good sound there. Yep, we got visuals, so let's fly. All right. Should be disarmed. There we go. That is armed now. Disarmed, armed, okay. So I got that switch backwards. All right. Maiden flight. Oh boy. I haven't, we're in horizon mode, so there we go. Oh boy. Guys, that always gets me when you're in that crappy horizon mode. But I have to watch my battery but nice and quiet. That's for sure. Oh, that's so nice. It is a fun quad to fly. And it is dinky. So I'm keeping it high on purpose right now because I do not know what to expect. Everything is good. Connection is great. I'm excited to take it to some other places to fly it, that's for sure. But I just don't know its flying characteristics right now. I don't know too much about it, so I'm afraid that if I get down into the trees too much, well, we're staying in connection. Okay, so this is ELRS. I haven't gotten a warning. There we go. Get a little bit lower, and we can take it by us here. And battery information is good. Yeah, it's been a while since I've flown with the X-Lite, so just give me a little bit wind, a little bit of wind. I got wind from my back that's affecting it going this direction, and I'm gonna hit my house if I don't watch out, because it is 2S, so that is good. 2S is good, but once again, we've got that goofy field of view issue, and you know, like I know, that is plaguing everybody flying the light, but I'm really excited. I'm very happy. So far so good. I can just keep it low like this and do some low-level aerobatics here on the yard, not get too crazy. And so we know it goes high. And now we are testing its low flying ability. 2S HV, so these are high voltage batteries. look at how nice my yard looks right now. Thank you, DJI, for making it look so good. The stabilization of this has been really good. I don't see any jello, so and I'm getting a good amount of flight time. That's for sure. 3 minutes and 41 seconds. And God, that's great. We're gonna get 5 minutes out of this thing, maybe. I'm at 7 volts. Wow. 5 minutes of flight time out of a 2S. Oh, they're low battery. Guess not.
Telemetry recovered.
All right, we're back here, and I am going to set it on the lawn. Right over here. Oh, we're off. All right, let's check and see if our switches are working. Crash flip switch. See if I can flip it. Nope. All right, it's off. Low battery, so let's put the beeper on. Beeper check. I don't hear the beeper. I don't hear the beeper, guys. So there we go. I am in this bush. How did I get in there? I didn't even see that go in there. Just hopped in that bush over there in that big. All right, so I gotta. Okay, I've got my arm switch backwards. So.